Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Firebase. Today we are going to learn about the building a RESTful CRUD API with Cloud Functions and the Firestore. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So first of all, I have already the code built in. Okay, so I have written down all of the code. So let's analyze step by step. Okay, so these are the things that you need to, npm packages that you need to install, that is express, body parser and the firebase admin. Okay, and I will show you the packet.json also, and how to initiate this firebase cloud functions. You have to watch my previous videos. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so first of all you have to go with the admin initialize app. So admin firestore, so here we are using the firestore, and here we are initializing the express, and body parser for accepting the form data. Okay, as a json, right? So first of all, get all documents. So currently we don't have the documents currently, so collection name I will search with the replace with the, you can say about the tasks, or tasks is better. Okay, let's save this, and first of all let's create one of the task. Okay, this is get by single id, you create a new document. Okay, so let's create the document over here, right? So let's go with this one, and let's initialize. So automatically it's restarted. So for the restart, what we have to do, that is here I have mentioned, that is npm run serve. So for doing in the local part, so you have to run this command npm run serve. Here you can see that in the packet.json, here we have the serve command, that firebase emulator start to run the firebase functions locally, you have to run this command, right? So let's create the collection. Already the url is coming there, right? So let's go to the postman, and here we have the url. This is not that one. Okay, already the url is there, so let's go with the step by step. So first one, that we have the API collection, right? So it would be the post request. So let's go and check post request with the, here you go with this one, collection post body raw and JSON we require. Okay, so we can put it over here like task with the name, add documents. Okay, and we will add like status. Here we can add a true or false, right? According to it, let's try to send this. Cannot post the collection API collection, I think. What API? Create a new one, that is API collection. What the URL we getting? Let me just restart it. Okay, so here we go with this one. It will give me the URL. So the URL is this one, API. Copy this link, I think it's the same one. Let's go with this one, or might be we need to add the API multiple times. Let's have a look of that one. If it is, then we will remove that one. That is that one, right? So ID is returned. Here you can see that, because by default the API is added, and I have already added the API here. So that's the reason we have to make it like API. So here I go with the this one, Cloud Firestore, and here we have made the tasks. So here we go with, let's see. So I think the task is coming over here. Task is there, right? So add documents is there, right? So let's create some more of that one, add documents one. Let's make it the send, add documents two, send. Okay, so here you can see that the free records are there. Okay, add documents 1, 2 and 3, all is added. Let's see how we have added. So so the post request create a new document. So request the body, and how to add this one. So db.collection dot, this is your database or Firestore. Okay, and here we have to dot add whatever we have stored in the document. So send it over here, and it will create and returning the reference id. Okay, and if something goes wrong, it will go with the console dot error, that error creating the document, and giving me the response status 500 with error creating the document. Okay, now moving to the first one, that is get all the collections. Okay, so get all the documents in a collection. So db.collection, the firestore name, and dot get, and here we are just mapping and returning the data. Okay, the documents, right? And if something goes wrong, it will go to the console dot error, and return me the status with 500 error getting the document. Let's try with the document. Only make a get request. Okay, so currently it's post, make a get and send, and here we return all the collections with the add documents 2, add documents, and add documents here 1, right? So all of the documents are added. Next one that we are going to check, that is get a single document by id. So here the main thing is that here we require the params, that is id, and db.collection.task.doc. So here you need to pass the doc id to get one. Okay, if the doc id not exist, then it will return the 404, that is not found, that document is not found, and return the response.json. Okay, and here console dot error, error getting the document. Okay, error getting in the document, right? So let's check this one with the collection. So here we go with any id, we're going to pick it and just pass it over here. Okay, so just send it, and add document to it's there, right? So here you can get a single document by id. Next one, that is we have done that, create a new document, then update one. Okay, so collection with the id, so requires params.id and the body which you want to update. Okay, and update whatever data you want to send, and it will give me the status with 200, that is documents updated. If something goes wrong, it will give me the status with 500, error updating the document, right? So let's make a put request. I think it's a put request, right? And let's make it add documents with make a new ppt. Okay, let's try to send it, and document updated. Let's have a look. So I think make ppt should be there, the first one. Make a new ppt, here you can see with the id is hv, and this is hv id, so that is document is updated, right? Okay, done. Next one, that is delete a document. So here we require the params id, right? So db.collection.task.docid.delete, whatever id you want to delete, just make sure you have to add the doc id and delete function of the Firebase, and then return the status that document deleted successfully, else it will give me the error, that the error in deleting the document. Okay, at the last, export the express app as a Firebase cloud function like this. Okay, let's try to delete this document also. Let's make a delete request. So here we go, a delete request, and just try to send it, and delete it. And here we go with two records are there, right? Only two records, the last one is deleted. So this is how you can done the building the CRUD operations with Firestore using the cloud functions. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.